you have your machine powered off, we're going to go ahead and undo our side screws for our fascia so we can tilt our machine forward, and then it'll give us easier access to swap out that main board. So we'll go ahead and do this top screw right now. And there's one on each side, so we'll go do this one first. And you want to make sure you do this top one and not this one, because it does pivot on this one. So we got that top screw out and just a little silver Phillips head. And we'll go ahead and do the other side right now. And it is the same on this side. Awesome. So now we'll be able to just tilt our machine forward, and we can go ahead and show you how to replace your mainboard.
Check the links in the description below to learn more. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button and the bell notification to get notified when we drop new helpful videos. Thanks for watching.